So, we will show you how to use the breeding aid, kung paano po gamitin. So, ang oil-based kasi siya. So, ang paggamit niya is you need 20 ml per kilogram of seeds. Kung ano man yung mixture niya ng seeds. Bakit sa seeds? Kasi mas na-absorb ng katawan ng ibon yung seeds. Whether dun mag-penetrate sa coat ng seeds or sa inside. Later, makita nyo kung ano yung finished product niya. So, 20 ml of breeding aid to 1 kilogram of seeds. So, ayan. Oil siya, oil-based. So, walang ibang way na mag-mix kung hindi kamay. So, dun yung mapipil eh. Ayan. Okay? Ako na lang ha. I'll do it. Ayan. So, mix. Mekos. You like to mix? Okay. Ayan. Mix. Mekos. Oily siya ngayon. Oily. Pero after 8 to 12 hours, ano na siya ulit? Normal na yung kanyang texture. Yan. So makikita nyo, compared to all the breeding supplements out in the market, ito lang yung oil-based. Hindi siya water-based, hindi siya ma-absorb siya, so talagang papasok sa katawan ng ibon. And also, pwede pa kaming maglagay ng symbiotic sa tubig. Yun yung advantage. Kaya 1-2 punch namin here at Mycos Aviary. Okay? So, pag na-feel nyo na well-mixed na siya, you just let it air dry. So, kung ginawa nyo ng gabi, bukas ng umaga, gagamitin nyo na siya. And for the finished product, on this side, the difference is, what's the texture? How does it feel when it's 12
Dry.
hours? It's dry. What about the freshly mixed?
Oily.
Oily. Good girl. Ang breeding aid ay magiging available sa Shopee na lang. Like the symbiotic which we launched on the page. Grabe, ang daming trabaho. 50 liters on the first day. Tapos biyahe JNT, ganyan, nakakaabala. So, we decided na both the products will be available on Shopee Myco Aviary online store. So, we will post the link down below pag natapos ko na. So, that's it for now. So, dun sa mga sumusuporta sa page natin, salamat and happy breeding and happy birding everyone.